Pangarap mo bang bahay na swak sa budget, pero premium ang dating? Welcome to Claremont Mabalacat, Pampanga, where your future begins. Imagine coming home to an Opal single-attached home. Modern Asian design, elegant at practical para sa buong pamilya. Dalawang palapag, thoughtfully designed with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet & baths. A cozy living area, stylish dining area, at functional kitchen. Lahat ng kailangan mo para sa comfortable everyday living. With a typical lot size of 54 square meters. And a livable floor area of 88 square meters. May sapat na espasyo para sa bonding, pahinga, at paglaki ng inyong pamilya. At sa Claremont, hindi lang maganda ang bahay. Madali pa itong ma-achieve. We offer various payment schemes just for you. Spot cash payments with discounts. Deferred terms with zero interest. Flexible bank financing options.